Crunch time again. Tow truck's outside. Just finished up this 2025 G63 Brabus 700. This is number 9, I believe, of this 2025 build. Beautiful Arabian Grey color. I think this is one of the coolest colorways for it. And as you can see, we have a little bit of a red details on it on the front, the B. However, a ton of carbon fiber all over. You got the hood scoop, you got the front visor, you got the grille surround over there, all of it in carbon fiber. Obviously, the Widestar kit has been painted to Arabian Grey. You could have done a black theme on this. We were leaning almost towards that, but we stuck with the Arabian Grey theme all over. And it looks incredible, honestly. Arabian Grey is kind of like the Nardo Grey, a little bit darker, but it looks really good on the G-Wagons. Got special Brabus wheels right there, 24-inch. These wheels we painted in Arabian Grey as well. We didn't want to just leave them the standard black. We wanted to do something special, different. So it has been painted entirely in Arabian Grey, including the center cap and all that. Looks incredible. Brakes are painted red with the Brabus on there as well to give that little red flare because they were silver before, which is boring. This car has the black package, so it has the black side steps and the black lights, all that, so that came out really good with that. We also have the rear roof wing. We have the rear spare cover in carbon from Brabus. Brabus exhaust as well, of course. So really looks incredible, this car in Arabian Grey, like I said. Let us know your thoughts if you wanted a 2025 G-Wagon. What color would you get? We did a China blue. We've done a few matte blacks. We've done regular blacks. We've done a green color. We've done the desert tan color. I'm forgetting what else we've done, but a lot. So I think the Arabian Grey is one of my favorites. Let us know.
Royce, what is this? Chevy Corvette here.
What do you say?
Chevy Corvette.
This is not a Chevy Corvette.
Alright guys, we have a Rolls-Royce Phantom here. We're putting some very nice wheels on it. This was a custom color finish. I think it was called something matte silver smoked. What the hell's going on? Yeah. So yeah, take a look at these wheels. We're gonna put them on right now. It looks really good. Let's see how it looks on the front. I think this is the first time we've done this color. It's pretty crazy. Matte, silver, smoked. Looks pretty smoky, actually. Looks pretty good. I like it.
This car is a beautiful gray color, but customer specifically requested a car he saw online. It was actually URUS Widebody that is actually not even a wrap, it's a paint from Lamborghini, and he wanted that on his Ferrari. So we found the closest match to that. And nowadays, obviously, when you're doing a gloss wrap, you want to do more than likely a colored PPF, something really, really clean, no orange peel, make it look like factory paint job. Those days of those orange peely, faded wrap gloss colors are gone now. So this wrap looks like paint once we're done, and it's also PPF material, so it's paint protection film at the same time. But as you can see, it's gloss and it's super shiny. It has metallic in it. I mean, this panel, nobody's gonna know that it's wrapped, so pretty cool to see that. This is getting a set of RDB signature wheels and our carefully calculated wheel fitment 2324s with the crazy Continental tires that we also import. It's also going to be lowered, so excited for this one. It's our good friend Nas Reed's Parasong way, and we're more than happy to take on this job and do it the right way. As you can see, the bumper's off, a lot of the trims are all off the car, and we have more to do. So pretty cool color wrap right here. Most people would leave it that other color, but it was a little too dark for him, I think. So yeah, we're gonna wrap it up and show you guys the results later.
Guys, we have a Rolls Royce call in here. This car is in here for a few things: regular service, also the brake pad wear light is on. So after doing the diagnosis, come find out that the rear brakes are already due for this car. We're gonna change the pads, sensors, rotors as well, and that's about it for this one. Hey, the Cressida. Let's go give an update on the Cressida. Okay, so you guys remember this Toyota Cressida? Yes, it's been a long time, but it's been a very difficult task because this car had a lot of rust. So, you know, it's not easy to fix these things, you guys. I mean, honestly, there's hard parts that are very hard to find, nothing available. You gotta call a million people. And then the thing is, when the parts come in, these old cars, when they come in, half the time they're broken and they're wrong. So you gotta do research again and try to figure out everything that you can to get these cars done. So this car is almost done. We're assembling everything right now. A couple of more mechanical, little minor stuff to do. And this car will be shipped back to the East Coast. No, this one, Toyota has a little bit more parts that are available. It's a little bit more easier to find than more than like an American car is. So yeah, these are pretty simple, but again, they're so old and they're on back order. So you gotta, sometimes it takes, honestly, it can take a year, 6 months to a year and a half. Depends how lucky you get. And then the bodywork, the paint, all that stuff. You touch one thing, everything breaks because everything's old. So a lot of rust, a lot of dirt, and all that stuff. So yeah, it's not fun doing old cars, but when you do it right and it's all done, it looks really well.
All right, I got a Maybach right here, as you can see. Nice color, but unfortunately, it has been in a little fender bender. As you can see, the fender's bent over here. The bumper is trash. It's completely broken. Headlight got hit, but visibly from the outside, headlight did not look like it was broken. However, the headlight is held on by 3 tabs, and whenever the headlight gets like even the slightest touch, those tabs actually just snap. It's designed that way, so have to change that as well. But yeah, so new bumper, new grille, fender, molding, headlight, all that, and then paint it, put it on. This car's going through insurance. It belongs to a loyal, long-term client of ours. And like you said, we do all these big projects, body kits, whatever, but we also do insurance claims all day long. We do the proper repairs on all these cars. These cars are different than, you know, the smaller scale cars. These expensive cars need a little bit more love and attention. You have to make sure you replace everything that it needs to be. So we fight with the insurance company for you guys, and we get the parts that need to be replaced. Even if it's like a hidden damage, we will find it and we will fix it. So my box didn't get repaired. This is a quick little one, piece of cake for us. So yeah.